You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names that too many people get wrong, mispronounce. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. It is generally said as Jakub, Jakub. Some may say it as Jakub or Jacob, but generally Jakub. How do you pronounce it? Do you know any Jakub? Are you a Jakub? How do you pronounce it? Let everybody know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.